It's just a small watermelon that tends to do well here. I'd also like to point out growing some beautiful vegetables. Swiss chard, if you look, has a nice red, burgundy, green, a little purplish, yellow look to it. There are also some just straight colored ones, but this one I've chosen is called Bright Lights, and I've chosen it for its aesthetic beauty and also because I like it as a vegetable to eat. Another plant, this one, is a newer one that many of you may not be familiar with. A purple plant, just an ornamental pepper is what it is. And I'm growing it for the purple foliage, and it will get some little peppers on it too. I'm basically growing this for its beauty though. First, I'd like to point out that there's several different types of material or media that you could use for this. These seem to work very well for me. What I've got is some peat moss, and I've got some vegetable bedding mix